Package height 286 centimeters. Package length 542 centimeters. Package width 192 centimeters. Ohm quality terminals ensure the most secure connection possible between the terminals and the connector. Top reviews from the United States. 9/10. Fit my 98ZJ with premium Infinity system. Swapped the factory head unit for a budget Kenwood. Only problem was figuring out which wire to use for the remote turn-on for the amp, as that seemed not to match for some reason. Easily solved with trial and error and a little web help. On the ropes. As an automotive audio installation expert, I am expected to have access to all required parts. Fortunately, when I didn't the harness needed for a Jeep Liberty with factory amp, I was able to get it shipped swiftly to me. Amazon really saved the day. Happy customers mean repeat business.